Hi, good afternoon, Mr. How are you?
Good. How about you?
Very well, thank you for asking. Mr. This is Mayur calling you from Raina Group. I think you placed an inquiry about certain real estate investments here in the UAE.
Yes, you're right. Actually, I did. This is actually for my personal use. I do keep traveling to Dubai quite often.
Outstanding. And have you previously invested in the UAE market or how's it?
To the operates in UAE, I haven't. I do live in Sydney. I have quite a few investments here, and I have something in London as well, in Richmond.
Would you have a certain investment value that is predetermined or are you open to options? How's that looking like?
I mean, I need something which is at least a three-bedroom, and I need something which is branded. So, what are the prices I should be looking into my mind as of now?
I mean, realistically speaking, the lowest price point for a branded residence by a good developer, starting about 11 and a half, 12 million dirhams. And then there's no roof when we talk about the upward limit. You've got multiple other projects, 500 million as well.
Okay, let's start with 12 million. What do you have?
Okay, great. Is there a specific location that you might have in mind, or do you want me to keep it vague at the moment?
I mean, I spend most of my time around downtown when I'm there because I have late meetings.
Perfect. What if I tell you I have a branded product exactly opposite downtown metro station, which is called as the Mr. C Residences? Have you heard about it by any chance?
No, I have not. But I'm listening. Go ahead.
Okay, so Mr. C is a branded product by Cipriani's. They already have a delivered product in Jumeirah. It fits in your criteria being branded, as well as the additional factor is it's an exclusive product. The previous building that they delivered altogether comprised of only 40 units.
Okay.
And here in the one in downtown, which is set to be delivered in May 2027, would that be something you'd be open with?
Okay, so it's gonna be next year. I was looking for something ready to move it, but I've been told when you get something which is under construction, is there some kind of payment plan? If I'm right, this is what I was told in the past. Does that exist here?
Absolutely, yes, it does. I mean, being a non-resident, sir, let's be very honest. If you buy something ready, you'll have to deploy 40% liquid upfront.
Okay.
Here you get an advantage that you only have to deploy about 30% during this course of construction, which is set to deliver in the next, eight to 9 months.
Okay.
And the remaining 70% is due on handover. So in case you ever want to look at financing options, that's also possible in this project.
Okay. Is this something which you can manage as well, or how does it work?
Yes, I mean, we have an in-house company for that, which is called as Rhino Capital. So we'll help you with financing as well if ever required. Mr. I had a quick question. Are you currently staying here in Dubai or are you overseas at the moment?
Well, currently, I'm in Sydney, but I'm visiting Dubai on the 29th of this month.
Outstanding. So let's do this, Mr. If you're comfortable. I'll shoot certain details across on WhatsApp with you for this specific project. You can review it. And once you're here, we'd love to take you around and show you the project also, because the developer has an actual unit which is prepared. And luckily, that's for a 3-bedroom itself.
Sounds good.
So you can get a touch and feel of the product as well. And then accordingly, we start shortlisting properties which work best for you.
All right, let's do so.
Yeah. Thank you so much for your time. It's a pleasure speaking, and we look forward to hosting you once you're here.